Hey, history fans! Imagine a time when everything around you started changing, factories popping up, machines taking over work, and cities growing at lightning speed. That's exactly what happened during the Industrial Revolution. It was a time when technology, manufacturing, and society completely transformed. Today, we're going to explore how this era reshaped the world we live in. Ready to travel back to the 18th century? Let's go! The Industrial Revolution was a period that began in the late 1700s in Britain and spread to other parts of the world. It's called a revolution because it completely changed how people lived and worked. Before this, most goods were made by hand, in small workshops or at home. But with new inventions, factories began producing goods much faster and on a massive scale. This shift from hand production to machine production was huge. Think of it like upgrading from a horse and buggy to a high-speed train overnight. Two of the biggest game changers were the steam engine and the power loom. The steam engine, invented by James Watt, powered factories, trains, and ships, revolutionizing transportation and manufacturing. Meanwhile, the power loom made it possible to weave cloth faster than ever before. These inventions helped fuel industries like textiles, mining, and transportation, making products cheaper and more accessible. With new factories came urbanization, or the rapid growth of cities. People moved from rural areas to cities in search of jobs, and soon cities were bursting at the seams. Places like Manchester in England went from small towns to industrial powerhouses almost overnight. But this wasn't all good news. Living conditions in cities were rough, with overcrowded housing, pollution, and poor sanitation. Life wasn't easy for the workers fueling the Industrial Revolution. Factory jobs were long, dangerous, and poorly paid. Men, women, and even children worked 12 to 16-hour shifts in conditions that would shock us today. This led to the rise of labor movements as workers fought for better wages, safer conditions, and shorter workdays. The revolution might have created new opportunities, but it came with a lot of challenges for the working class. The Industrial Revolution didn't just affect Europe, it changed the world. As countries like Britain and the US industrialized, they needed more raw materials and new markets to sell their goods. This led to global trade networks expanding and the rise of empires. Countries in Africa, Asia, and the Americas were pulled into this new global economy, often in ways that had lasting effects on their societies. So, what's the legacy of the Industrial Revolution? Many of the inventions from this period laid the groundwork for the modern world. Railroads made travel faster, the telegraph connected people across long distances, and the cotton gin revolutionized farming. These innovations not only transformed industries but also set the stage for the technological advancements we rely on today. The Industrial Revolution was a time of incredible change, new technologies, new ways of working, and a new global economy. It wasn't always easy, but it's hard to imagine the modern world without the transformations that began back then. From the steam engine to the skyscraper, we're still feeling the impact of this amazing period in history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Industrial Revolution, hit subscribe for more history-filled journeys. Smash that like if you're amazed by how much technology has changed, and drop a comment below with the invention from the Industrial Revolution that you think changed the world the most. I'll catch you on the next history adventure.